the starting of the week. At Summit Talks you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's more than one day.
Lumalabas sa pag-aaral na ang single-use plastic pa rin ang nangungunang uri ng plastic waste na nagpaparumi sa Manila Bay. Kaya naman may matinding panawagan ang mga eksperto. Nagpapatrol, Rafael Bosano.
Mula umaga hanggang hapon, hindi tumitigil sa pagpapala ng mga basurang inanod sa isang bahagi ng Manila Bay sa Baseco ang mga tinagurian.
This is Filipinas, our ancestral home. A tapestry woven from breathtaking beauty, resilient spirit, and a deep connection to the land. A gift passed down through generations.
Nasaan ako? Ano to? Ba't ang daming basura?
Akala ko malinis at maganda ang Pilipinas.
But we are betraying this gift, suffocating it with our waste, poisoning it with our difference. The number screams the truth we can no longer ignore. We are drowning in our own excess. Our paradise is vanishing beneath a tide of trash. This is not the future that our ancestors envisioned. This is not the legacy we want to leave to our children.
But even in darkness corners, a spark remains.
Isang kilong manok nga po. Meron po ba?
Lagay ko lang ito sa plastic.
Ay, wag na. May dala akong container dito. Dito mo lang ilagay.
Ma'am, bukod this, ma'am.
Ito tulad na lang, kuya. May tubig kasi ako eh.
The spirit of bayanihan, of communal unity flickers. We are not powerless. Every small act of responsibility is a step towards healing. Every conscious choice is a ripple of change. Inang Kalikasan is calling us. Mother Earth is pleading with us. Can you hear her? Refuse the convenience of a single-use plastic. Reduce your consumption. Reuse everything you can. Recycle with intention. Reimagine a world without waste. Demand accountability from corporations and our leaders. Educate yourselves and others.
This is our home. This is our legacy. Let us answer the call of Inang Kalikasan. Let us rise together and reclaim our paradise.